Hello?
Alright, he went in that front door there.
This one right here?
Yeah, with a chainsaw.
Okay.
Running chainsaw. He tried to cut that tree
He
down.
went into that door right there?
Yeah, that front entrance door.
This one with the pillars?
Yes.
The white pillars?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do me a favor and just hang out here for a second? Okay.
1358. Hello. Tell me to send the lockout to someone else. Just hold it for now. Take on.
How long ago did he go in there? Okay. Okay. Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know, he came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to the business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open.
I'm calling me a cat.
10-4.
He went that way.
Unit's incoming. Can you step it up? Hey!
Incoming units.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground. Get back! Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my god.
Hey, drop it! I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it!
Subject in the front lobby.
Yes.
Step it up.
I'm leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up!
Where's my...
Drop it!
I just want my wife, man. I just want...
Listen, man.
I don't want to...
Taser deployed! Taser! Hey! Hey, right here! He's right here!
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh, shit!
Shots fired!
Attention all Irish units. River Glen of St. Charles.
Drop it! Get him over.
North Avenue St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
Special attention St. Charles units. Shotgun dispatching of shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue, River Glen of St. Charles. Responding as acknowledging EPA.
Here we go. Come on. Watch out. Move your... Hey, get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here.
Gotcha.
Roll medics.
Attention all Irish units. River Glen of St. Charles, 905 block of Northwest Avenue. 905 North Avenue, St. Charles. Attention all Irish units. Special attention St. Charles units. TRACOM dispatching a shots fired at 905 Northwest Avenue, River Glen of St. Charles. Responding as acknowledging ETA. 2137 en route. 3 minutes.
Come on. What's up? Move your.
Okay. All right. Shit. All right.
Hey, get out here. Come on, buddy. Come here.